Well, back to old school. Had to dig out my old Canon camera and go through and basically zoom in here and look at these plugs here that we've got. You can see this one has gotten a, quite frankly, a piece of the actual spark plug wire which pulled out. I could not get this off. As you can see here too, there's a lot of carbon scoring or bridging going on these spark plugs. So what I've done is I've replaced them all on the passenger side, the 1, 3, 5, and 7 side. I've put in the new plug wires. We're going to go in there real quick. We're going to start it up. Hopefully the battery will hold out and on this camera, older camera, and I'll show you how well it starts up and it doesn't clickety clack and all the other stuff that was going on before, because apparently number 8 cylinder was arcing because the plug itself, the spark plug, the new spark plug wire wasn't plugged in all the way, so it was plugged in like not even plugged in. Let's get it right. So it was arcing into the air cleaner the whole time. So cylinder number 8 wasn't even firing. So very interesting. So here we go. I'm going to jump into the RV real quick. It's really super dark out right now. It is night because now it's, you know, 7:45. Based on daylight savings time, that clock was it's now finally right. Before March 8th, it was not for about 6 months. So that's the way I'd like to keep my time clocks. Anyways, so that's what's going on, and let's start her up real quick and show her how she runs. Now that all the new 10.5mm blue silicone spark plug wires are installed. There's the moon. We call the, I guess, the worm moon that is going on because it's springtime, what have you. So we're going to run this out here. Go in here. There's the RV. Strange noises going on out there. I don't know. Kind of weird. Oh man, I hope I have the RV keys. Hold on. I think I got them. A whole gaggle of keys here. Yep. So I got them. Let's go in here. Check it out. Some lights on. Let's put the lights on up here. There we go. Get these lights on. Alright, so we got the engine down there. As you can see, I've got all the different cables on. Number 8, this is the one that was arcing all up against the air cleaner. You can see sparks going on back and forth, back and forth. And turns out that the boot was not secured all the way into the spark plug, so it wasn't going to the spark plug, it was just arcing everywhere else. I gotta tell you, this side is infinitely more of a pain in the butt to get spark plugs in because of the brake cylinder and other shields. You can't get into it from the side. This one is like kindergarten. This is more like 4th grade. Just saying. So you can see here the wires are kind of all over the place. I don't have wire looms hooked up or anything, but I've got them rigged so they're not touching any metal wherever I can, and I'm trying to keep them off the hot spots. So do not want to drop these keys into, yeah, there we go, there's the Allegro keys, as you can see. There is the business key, and so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to start her up, get her going. Check engine, yes, we know that. She'll just start her up, keep her in park. Started right up there. And she's running a lot smoother. But she's not jumping around or anything like she was before, which is awesome. This engine was, I mean, it literally was kind of fritting and fretting and kind of jumping, you know, kind of jiggling around, and it was not fun. And I knew it was because there was misfires, but we're going to listen. Got the air pump running up there. Alternator. There's the power steering pump. Hydraulic pump. Got all these wires going to run where I need to run them. 10.5 millimeters spark plug wires with those fabric silicone fiberglass boots on them, which are supposed to help them out and keep them from getting fried. We'll see how they work out. But that's what's going on right now. I've got, you know, I got a little light here. I'm going to boost the gas a little bit. Definitely running a lot smoother. Glad to hear they're not hear any clickety clacky or anything going on. That was freaking me out. The last video where things were like, I could hear things clicking here. Cylinder number 8, which is up here. This one, and it was literally arcing against the air cleaner. I could see the sparks hitting it continuously. And I thought, okay, wait. This is a new plug wire. Why is it arcing through the plug wire unless it's not plugged in down there? Which turned out it wasn't. It was not plugged in all the way. You got to check these simple things, right? So that's what we got going on. Glad to hear the engine running real smooth because it's only got 54,000 miles on her. And she's had some work done on her. She's had the oil changed constantly. So I'm pretty happy that it's running really smooth like this. I mean, honestly, if you can get this where he's running pretty good. So, that's the 10.5 millimeter silicone plug wires. A little shorter than what I would like them to be, but they did work. I had to kind of route them different ways over the head, over the valve covers, but other than that, she's running pretty good. It definitely has good spark when you pull these off. Definitely good spark. So, glad to see that. And we'll see how she drives on the road once I do a test drive. But anyways, have a good night. Want to get this up Sunday night. It's first day of daylight savings. Lost an hour. So I had to get something done. So to everybody, happy, safe RVing. And be safe on the road. And with everything going on here, stay healthy. Take care.